If you encounter any minor technical problems, such as an interruption in sound, there are some steps you can follow to identify possible causes and solutions. The first thing you should try is changing the batteries. If that doesn't solve the issue, then disassemble your sonnet. To disassemble the sonnet, first remove the battery pack cover. Next, take the batteries out of the frame. Then unplug the coil from the coil cable and unplug the coil cable from the control unit. Separate the battery pack frame and the control unit by pressing the tip of the release lever. Check each part for dirt, moisture, or signs of damage. If any parts appear dirty, gently clean them with a soft, absorbent cloth. If any parts are wet, wipe them dry. If any parts appear damaged, you should contact your CI center for assistance. If you don't see any signs of damage, however, you can reassemble your audio processor. First, attach the battery pack frame to the control unit and note the mechanism that secures the control unit to the frame. Then plug the coil cable into the control unit. Note the correct orientation of the coil cable socket. Connect the coil cable to the dl-coil. Next, insert the batteries, with positive plus poles facing out. Finally, slide the battery pack cover over the frame. If cleaning and drying your audio processor doesn't solve the problem, use the speech processor test device to troubleshoot your audio processor.